Hello everyone, welcome to LOTOS channel. This is Abby at your service today. There are 5 trimming machines has been manufactured in our factory. We can have a general view of it. Now I'd like to introduce you one by one. Firstly, let's check this. We call it vertical box trim, and this is a testing profile. We can check it. The cutting edge, you can check, is very flat, super smooth, and we can check inside. There is no any scratch. It's very beautiful. And here is a hydraulic cutting unit. Here is the Turkish head. We can adjust by this handle. Then let's come to the forming unit. It is combined with steel panel stands and the chain transmission. At the last roller stations, we added the gear to improve the accuracy. Even this unit combined with the steel panel stands, but we stand the steel panel on the T-rail. I'd like to show you from here. You can see we added this T-rail on the surface of the tube to improve the accuracy and make them in a line. You can see it's very straight. This is the feeding table. Here is a 3-ton manual decoller. There is a cantilever. Then we can check from this side. This side is the chain transmission. We also used the Japan brand choho. And this cover box is to protect the worker when operating the machine. And the motor we hide inside the body structure. It can save the space and easy to load the container. We can check the forming step by step. Some side roller to regulate the angle. And this unit we combined with the portable operation cabinet. So here is a general view of the first trim machine. If you are interested, just let us know. We are here at your service. See you. Bye bye.